The information given on this channel is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Before you do anything in this video or on this channel, please ask a professional. Hey there, folks. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get rich effortlessly while others struggle, always worrying about bills? And why didn't we learn about money in school? Imagine this, a famous actor, John Sterling, earning over $300 million, yet filing for bankruptcy with a $30 million debt. Crazy, right? The answer is simple: money is a great employee but a terrible boss. Today, we're diving deep into mastering your finances and building multiple sources of income. Ready to transform your financial life? Let's get started. Hello everyone, and today we're going to uncover the secrets about money, how to get rich and achieve financial independence by creating multiple sources of income. Understanding money isn't just about earning more, it's about managing, investing, and making smart financial decisions. Let's dive into the principles that will set you on the path to financial success. Number 1. Understanding money management. Let's talk about our relationship with money. Most people earn and spend without much thought. But if you want to achieve financial freedom, you need a different formula. Instead of the typical earn and spend, it's about earn, invest, save, and then spend wisely. Many people fall for get-rich-quick schemes, chasing easy money. The truth? Those schemes are as reliable as a $3 bill. Changing your mindset is crucial. Think about earning as the first step, not to spend, but to invest and save. Imagine money as your employee. You want it to work for you, to generate more, and grow through smart decisions. The reality is that most of us are programmed to believe that as long as we have a job, we're fine. But relying on a single source of income can be risky. Jobs aren't guaranteed. What happens if you lose yours? Financial independence is about creating multiple streams of income, so that even if one dries up, others can keep you afloat. Number 2, the importance of financial education. Why don't we learn about money in school? Historically, schools prepared us to be employees, not bosses or investors. Schools teach us how to work, but not how to make our money work for us. Financial education is critical. It's one of the key ways to break out of the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Imagine if we were taught about budgets, investments, compound interest, and savings from a young age. Think of how many of us would be more financially responsible today. Lack of financial education leads to poor decisions, taking out credit card debt with high interest rates, signing up for loans we can't afford, and not understanding the impact of compound interest. The less we know, the more money we waste. A financially literate society is a more prosperous society. It leads to less debt, smarter spending, and more investment in the future. The more you learn, the better choices you'll make with your money. And the better choices you make, the closer you'll get to financial independence. Please subscribe and visit my channel, as there are many valuable videos about investing in cryptocurrency, stocks, real estate, or bonds. There are also about making money, being financially free, and managing your money. Thank you so much for this. Let's continue. Number 3, budgeting and planning. Let's talk budgeting. Now, budgeting doesn't have to feel like a straitjacket. Instead, it's a tool that gives you freedom, financial freedom. A great method to start with is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to necessities, housing, food, utilities, 30% goes to your wants, entertainment, travel, and 20% goes to savings and investments. Budgeting allows you to see where your money is really going. You'd be surprised at the spending patterns that emerge once you start tracking. That daily coffee, those takeouts, they add up over time. By simply being aware, you can find opportunities to save and invest in your future. But it's not just about watching where your money goes, it's about planning for the future. Everyone should have an emergency fund with enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Life is unpredictable. An emergency fund protects you from financial surprises and gives you peace of mind. Number 4, psychological aspects of spending. Ever wondered why we buy things we don't need? The answer often lies in the psychology of spending. Advertisements play on our emotions, social media encourages comparison, and suddenly, we're chasing the next trend. This is a psychological trap. It's a constant race to fill a void that material possessions can't satisfy. True happiness doesn't come from the latest gadget or the fanciest car, it comes from meaningful experiences, relationships, and a sense of purpose. So, before you buy that next must-have item, Ask yourself, do I need this, or am I just looking for a quick dopamine hit? Align your spending with your values and priorities, and you'll find yourself not only saving more money, but also feeling more fulfilled. Number 5. Building multiple sources of income. Now, let's get into the exciting part, building multiple streams of income. This is one of the most powerful strategies for achieving financial independence. Why rely on just one paycheck when you can have several? Multiple sources of income reduce your financial risk. If one stream dries up, others can keep you going. You might start a side business, freelance, invest in real estate, or create online content. The goal is to create income sources that align with your skills and passions. Creating multiple streams of income isn't just about trading time for money. It's about creating value, whether that's through products, services, or investments. Find what you're passionate about, and then figure out how to turn that into an income-generating activity. It takes less than a second and helps a lot if you leave a like and subscribe to my channel. You can also help by sharing my videos with your friends or family. Thank you so much for this. Number 6. Smart financial practices. Financial independence comes from mastering your money, not letting it control you. One of the smartest things you can do is live within your means. Spend less than you earn and invest the difference. Prioritize your needs over your wants. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you're earning more doesn't mean you have to spend more. Too often, people upgrade their lifestyle to match their income, which can lead to financial stress. Make informed financial decisions. Avoid impulse purchases. Use money as a tool to achieve your dreams, not as a measure of your success. Number 7. Resources and tools for financial success. There are tons of resources and tools available to help you on your financial journey. Some of my favorite books are Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. These books teach timeless principles about money, investing, and wealth creation. Apps like Mint or You Need a Budget, YNAB, can help you track your expenses, create budgets, and see where your money is going. And there are countless online courses and personal finance communities where you can continue learning. The key to success? Continuous education. The more you know about money, the more empowered you'll feel to make smarter decisions. So, what's the real secret about money? It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your dreams if you manage it wisely. It's not about how much you earn, but how you manage, save, invest, and spend that will determine your financial future. Achieving financial independence takes discipline, persistence, and a mindset focused on long-term goals. But remember, true wealth isn't just about having money, it's about living a life rich in experiences, love, and purpose. You can also watch another video about earning money, show on your screen. If you've made it this far, comment "money doesn't buy happiness" below, and I'll give you a little heart because you're taking the first step toward financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to financial success starts today. See you next time.